Welcome to another XDP manufacturer Q&A. Today we're here with Ivan from Fluidampr to talk more about the high-strength damper bolt kits and what makes their products the right choice for your vehicle. So Ivan, why is the damper bolt kit a must-have for installing your fluid damper?
Well, what we found is that without the kit, there's a possible chance of fretting, which is where the damper will move on the crankshaft. Especially if you're starting to add performance parts and increase horsepower and torque, that's when the damper really wants to move. So we developed in-house through our engineering team this bolt kit. And since we've offered it on the market, we haven't had any issues with the damper coming loose at all.
What comes included in the damper bolt kit?
So we offer a couple of different bolt kits. One is a friction washer, which allows the damper to be seated properly to the crankshaft. There's a diamond-impregnated finish on that washer. It locates between the damper and crank. And then we have ARP bolts that secure the damper to the crankshaft. And then we have our full power bolt kit, which is the friction washer, the ARP bolts, and a torque plate for the front that secures the damper on the front side where the bolts engage the damper. And it also has a hex on it that allows for it to double as a barring tool.
Is everything needed for installation included, and are any modifications required to install this kit?
No, everything comes included. All you need is a torque wrench to secure the bolts to the crank, and there's a detailed instruction sheet that comes within the package.
What applications do you offer your bolt kits for?
So it's our entire performance diesel line of dampers. Originally it was just the Cummins, but we now offer them for the Duramax and Power Stroke as well.
A big thanks to Ivan from Fluidampr for giving us the rundown on the high-strength damper bolt kits. To find out more and get one for your truck, check out xdp.com or contact your local dealer.